Yes, YouTube, it's your boy Imzy, also known as Kalido Vids. And if you don't already know me, I like to review tech, make e-scooter reviews, and I like to game a bit too. Today, we've got the eMeet Bluetooth noise cancelling headset. Can be used with a range of devices at once. It has amazing noise cancellation, amazing cool features too, and we also get an insane 30 hours of battery life for a killer price. So this is some budget tech today, but without further ado, let's get into this video. So here's the box. It shows you what is included beforehand. We've got 4 mics around this whole thing. That's insane. Some for noise cancellation too, so that's going to be nice to try out. And if you don't already know, I've had a very wide range of experiences when it's come to headsets. I've tried the latest headsets, I've tried gaming headsets like the Pulse 3D and their noise cancellation features, Sony's ones too, MX's, AirPods Pro 2, that is actually pretty good noise cancellation for a set of AirPods. We've even tried Galaxy Buds, which is pretty good too, but I prefer AirPods Pro. So let's tear off this wrapper here. So if you haven't already, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We've got some more bangers coming out soon, so you want to stay tuned for that. But hey, here is the eMeet Bluetooth headset. Alright, so let's slide this thing out. I should note that 2 of the mics are used for noise cancellation and the other 2 are used to actually hear your voice. The mics that are located here. You can also mute the mic manually from the actual headset. There is also an ambient noise mode as well as that active noise cancellation mode. So it's like transparency mode on AirPods Pro, where if I want to hear someone that's talking near me, I can just tap the button and I can hear them clearly without taking the headphones off. So that is a pretty neat feature. The PlayStation 5 Pulse 3D headset also does something like that too. But I should note that it isn't the best, from what I've tried at least. So let me quickly... let me slide this out. I'm trying to get this review / unboxing done. Alright, so we've got a ventilated carrying pouch. This is very high quality. One thing to note is that as well as the included power cable being put in this carrying pouch, I've also put the USB dongle in this little Velcro pouch, well, mini pouch inside this pouch. That is a really neat feature and I'm very pleased we have that feature. We've also got our USB-C to Type A cable. We can use this as a wired connection to our PC, laptop, or I believe console if we need be, but who's going to be using a wire when you can use it wireless? Come on now. You've also got your little instruction manual. Alright, let's leave that to the side. And we've got our 1 year limited warranty. That's nice, warranty, so if something breaks, you know that you can get that fixed or replaced. It's quite reassuring. And here is our actual USB 2.4 gigahertz wireless receiver. That is nice too. Let's leave that to the side. And that's it for this box, at least initially. Here we have our actual headset. Yeah, so our leather earmuffs feel quite plush. That is so soft. It's like memory foam, probably is. Yeah, this is memory foam. Memory foam earmuffs. Here is our mic. Look, I can retract it and bring it out just as easily. That's quite smooth actually, surprisingly. Here's our mute button, on and off. We've got our off button and then Bluetooth button. So now it's on, connecting to Bluetooth. Here's our type USB input or an output if you wanna use this a as a wired headset. Here we've got some of our noise cancelling mics. Look, one here and one here for noise cancellation. And yeah, okay, there's a button here. And there's a button here. No, there's three buttons. One, two. Okay, it said maximum volume, so I'm guessing this one's right. Let me put this on quickly. Oh my gosh, that is so comfortable. I can't even hear nothing. Wait, what? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, yeah, man. Alright, cool. Now I can hear myself breathe. I think this is ambience mode. Wait. Yeah, this is ambience mode. And if I tap it again, I think. Yeah, now. And now we're in noise cancellation. Oh my gosh. It's like I can't hear nothing that much apart from my voice a little bit. Alright, cool. My claps are reduced. Yeah, for noise cancellation is decent on this, especially considering the price. Let me put that back to ambient mode. Here's our mic. Da da da. I can adjust the volume by pressing the down button on the right hand side to reduce it, and press the up button to increase the volume. And here's our play and pause button in the middle. The connection on this is quite soft. Sorry, not for connection. The surface on these headphones are quite rubbery and soft. I like that. The headphones are quite light and this is very comfortable too. It's worth noting that for 4 hours of charge, it takes a quick 15 minutes thanks to its fast fuel technology. But you know, that just means good power efficiency and probably not the most powerful charging, which is good. Probably just amazing power efficiency. And that is nice to see in a budget headset. So that's it for the box. Let me quickly do a sound test and I'm gonna get back to you guys in a sec. So right now, for audio coming out is from the actual headset itself, as you can see here. It is clear when I'm speaking, it is clear when I'm hearing audio, especially when it comes to the highs and the voices for conference calls and all of that kind of stuff. When you're on parties, voice channels, it should be pretty good. I was listening to a bit of music too. The voices do sound clear and some of the higher instruments. However, the bass lacks. It suffers as a result. Like it's still there, it's still audible, but it's just okay. It's nothing special. The mids are alright too, but you're not really paying to get a music masterpiece. But it does sound really clear, quite crystal. Um, seeing as that seeing that this headset is going to be made to be used for gaming and other stuff like that. One of the nice features that I should note is that I can connect this to a range of devices at once. Through Bluetooth 5.0, I can connect it to two Bluetooth devices like my phone, computer, even my PlayStation or Nintendo Switch at once. And I can even use it for included USB dongle here to use it with those devices too. Quick charge, and they do feel really comfortable. If I take it off, actually, you can see that they're quite flexible too. Let me put these back on. And also, if I want to mute this headset, then all I've got to do is just lift this up and it will automatically mute. And when I bring it back down, it will unmute. Now let's go. 3, 2. Now it should be unmuted. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below if you've got anything else you want me to review or just to support the grind, innit? But yeah, peace.